Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: write a Python function named as create that takes your GPA as user input and then returns the latter grade equivalent. Consider three ranges. If your GPA is greater than 2.0 but less than 3.0, it will return C. If your GPA is greater than or equal to 3.0 but less than 3.5, it will return B. If your GPA is greater than or equal to 3.5, it will return A. And the answer of the question is: sure, here's the Python function named create that takes your GPA as user input and returns the corresponding letter grade based on the specified ranges. Pause the video and go through the function. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.